Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. I've got another great video for you today. While I fly my drone around Mount Blanca in Colorado, I'm going to list off the best national parks in the United States. I wanted to quickly explain my methodology. I took 4 of the AI chatbots, specifically ChatGPT, Grok, Google Gemini, and DeepSeek, and I asked all of them, what are the 20 best national parks in the United States? 15 of those national parks showed up on all 4 of the searches. So today I want to list off those top 15 national parks in the United States in alphabetical order. First up is Acadia National Park in Maine, a coastal gem with granite peaks, rocky shores, and Cadillac Mountain, the first U.S. spot to see the sunrise. Next up is Arches National Park in Utah. Features natural sandstone arches and desert landscapes that glow at sunset. Next up is Bryce Canyon National Park, also in Utah. Famous for its otherworldly hoodoos, spire-shaped rock formations in a natural amphitheater. Next up, Denali National Park in Alaska, home to North America's tallest peak and vast wilderness, teeming with grizzlies, moose, and caribou. Next up is Glacier National Park in Montana, home to rugged mountains, pristine lakes, and over 700 miles of trails, though its glaciers are rapidly receding. Next up, Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona, a geological masterpiece with its vast, colorful canyon carved by the Colorado River, offering breathtaking vistas. Next up is Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming. Stunning, jagged peaks rise above pristine lakes with excellent hiking and wildlife viewing. Next up, Great Smoky Mountains National Park, located in both Tennessee and North Carolina. Known for its misty, forested ridges, rich biodiversity, and historic Appalachian culture. Next up is Joshua Tree National Park in California, a desert park with twisted Joshua trees, massive rock formations, and starry night skies. Next up is Olympic National Park in Washington. Diverse ecosystems including temperate rainforests, rugged coastlines, and glacier-capped mountains. Next up is Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado. Offers alpine landscapes, high peaks, and abundant wildlife with easy access from Denver. Next up is Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks, both in California. Twin parks with towering sequoias, including General Sherman, the world's largest tree, and deep canyons. Next up is Yellowstone National Park, located in Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. Famous for its geothermal wonders like Old Faithful Geyser, vibrant hot springs, and abundant wildlife, bison, wolves, and bears. Next up is Yosemite National Park in California, known for its stunning granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia groves. And finally is Zion National Park in Utah. Features dramatic red and white sandstone cliffs, slot canyons like the Narrows, and diverse desert ecosystems. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire, no more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, shape the mind. Speeding up the pace, turning up the heat, where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words, stop stalling in the doorway, and cancel the cruise control. Switching in the manual, don't you wanna feel right again?